Well, everybody, you may find yourself wondering what kind of truck it is we have here today. This is a 1992 Ford F150, and as you can see, based off the peculiar shaped box here, it is a FlareSide. And the cool thing about this truck here, besides its immaculate condition, is that it isn't quite off-road rugged styling. This truck has a bit more of a luxury and street style. It has a pretty fancy and rare roll pan rear bumper here, a color matched hard cap over the bed, and some pretty fancy chrome trim around the wheel wells. Now again, this is a 1992 and it only has 197,000 kilometers. I don't remember exactly what that is in miles, but maybe I can put it up on the screen for you here. This FlareSide is also equipped with the 5-liter V8, which has a nice natural deep rumble to it. It's also the 4-speed automatic transmission, which is smooth to drive and gets around fairly well. And as we jump into the interior here, it has more than you could ever ask for, especially back in the 90s in a pickup truck. This truck does feature the XLT trim, might stand for something like exclusive luxury trim, I'm not exactly sure. But the condition on this interior is quite well. Someone has in the last 30 years put in an aftermarket stereo deck, personalized it a little bit, but we still have the factory AC, and with the push of a button, despite the street styling, we do have 4x4 high and low range. With a push of a button, no need to get out and manually lock any hubs like you do with a manual transfer case. We have cruise control, all the gauges we could need, oil pressure, battery, engine temp, fuel gauge of course, and a tachometer and speedometer. We have power windows, as well as power locks, power mirrors, pretty much everything that the Eddie Bauer edition I previously made a video on had, including the electronic lumbar support. Back in the 90s, this was a time that trucks were slowly evolving into something more than an everyday workhorse. The FlareSide largely had an aspect of style, and that's something that Ford was going for. And in a lot of ways, they hit the nail on the head. Although some people aren't a fan of the FlareSide look, I personally have loved it over the years. Again, it's pretty cool, the street styling on a truck of this era. It doesn't quite look like a hot rod, but you can still get around town in style. Being a small truck in comparison to today's standards, these cabins are still super roomy and easily fit 3 people on these big, comfy bench seats. And the driving experience is still really solid. You feel like you're floating down the road. And that FlareSide bed does add a pretty neat layer of extra styling. I have heard that it was designed off of the 1950s Ford step sides, which is really, really neat. You see a lot of photos of those trucks as hot rods or little red truck with a Christmas tree on a postcard. So this is no doubt an amazing truck. And the 90s Ford FlareSides will definitely continue to go down in history as a gem. Let me know your thoughts down below and subscribe to stick around for more videos.